Sometimes a name or specialized term in your note may not be recognized correctly. Let's see how to correct it and save the term for future notes. From your summary note, open the three-dot menu and select Find and Replace. Enter the incorrect term under Find, then enter the correct term under Replace with. Select Add to Vocabulary to help NoteX recognize the term correctly next time. Then, select Apply to update the term in your note. If you simply want to add a term to your vocabulary, you can do so directly without using Find and Replace. From the three-dot menu, select Vocabulary Boosting. Enter the term or name and select Add. To remove a saved term, hover over it and select the X. To edit a saved term, simply click the term in your dictionary and update it. You can also add terms from Settings. With Vocabulary, NoteX learns your unique terms and specialized names, helping keep your notes more accurate and consistent. NoteX. Capture fast, think smart, work better.